In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix couldn't complete your purchase in Play Store. So first, just open up your settings app in your Android phone. For me, this is an iPhone. Just go to your settings app and then go to general or go to wherever your Android phone stores its storage. So for iPhone, it's general, then iPhone storage. And then here, just locate your Play Store app and just clear its cache. Make sure it's fully closed before you do that, and clear its cache, and then you can go ahead and try it again. If that didn't fix it, then it's most likely an issue because you're using VPN or something is wrong with your location in your phone while using the app. So make sure you're using the correct location. You can also change that through your settings in Android as well. But that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.